Harnessing the Law of Magnetism, a guide to manifesting abundance, is a comprehensive handbook designed to unlock the power of the law of attraction and abundance in your life. This guide offers practical insights, exercises, and techniques to help you attract wealth, success, and prosperity. Delving into the principles of magnetism, the book explores how your thoughts, beliefs, and actions shape your reality. It provides step-by-step instructions on how to align your vibrations with the frequency of abundance, thereby attracting positive opportunities and experiences. Through real-life examples and anecdotes, Harnessing the Law of Magnetism illustrates how individuals can overcome limiting beliefs and manifest their deepest desires. Whether you seek financial freedom, career advancement, or personal fulfillment, this guide offers valuable tools to help you tap into the unlimited abundance of the universe. Harnessing the Law of Magnetism offers a comprehensive approach to manifesting.